We're here at Ellerton School. We're here to speak to the 5 and 6 year olds just to give them an insight into building, really to see if they enjoy it. Who knows, they might be our future generation. We just showed them a few basic concepts of building, really. So we showed them some basic joinery skills, how to lay bricks, how to connect some pipes together, and basically how to run some wires in and wire up a plug. There was the added element of doing the presentation at this school, because I've got my 2 boys and seeing their faces proud that their daddy was here. That filled me with pride as well, so that was lovely. I really enjoyed that. Absolutely loved it. Just seeing them enjoy the different aspects of building, it was really rewarding and a privilege to do. I'd love to do this thing again. Like I say, it shows them what we do and how we do it, and it might pay dividends for the future.